Friends, welcome to RenwilEducate channel. In this video, we are going to learn logical functions in Excel. There are three important logical functions. One, if function, second, or function, and third, and function. Before moving to this video, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel RenwilEducate, like my videos, share my videos with your friends. Let us begin this video with one by one example. Friends, the first function is if function. Now, what if function tells? If function gives true if the condition is met, or if the condition is not met, it gives false. Let's see in this example how to use if function. Equal if returns true or false based on a condition. So, if B4, that is mathematics marks, is greater than 35, comma, if it is greater than 35, then he should be, or he or she should be pass or should be fail. Okay, enter. Now you see 51 is pass marks. That means Sonia is pass in mathematics. Kelly failed in mathematics because she secured less than 35. If it is more than 35 only, then the student is pass in mathematics. So you can see who are here failed. So Kelly is failed, and you can see Tim also failed, and you can see John Baptist also failed. Rest all pass in mathematics. Let's move on to OR function. Now, OR function, any one of the condition is true, then value will be true. If any one of the condition is false, then result also false. Let us see in this example. Equal or say returns true if any of the arguments are true. Equal B4 greater than 35, comma, C4 greater than 35, comma, and D4 greater than 35, and close the bracket. Sorry. B4, C4 as well as D4. Okay, see, in this example, it's true result for all the candidates because any one of the argument is true. So now let me see, I'll change any one of the argument as, I'll make all the argument as false, then it should give result as false. So here biology, Kelly is failed. Since chemistry and geography she secured pass marks, that's why result is false. This result is true. Now I will change this to 34 and this to 29. see the result is should be turned to here the greater than 35. Okay, still I think there is some problem. Before greater than 35 comma C5 is B, not before, yes, B5. Okay, so B5 greater than 35, C5 greater than 35, and D5 greater than 35. So if all the conditions are true, then result also true. Okay, let me write the formula again. Equal or function before greater than 35, C4 greater than 35, D4 greater than 35, and close the bracket. Now you understood the result. See, if all the three subjects marks above 35, then candidate normally pass. But in our function, it, as the name itself tells, or if any one of the subject student secures more than 35, then result is true and the candidate is pass. Just true means here I'll say that pass. So if any one of the subject is above 35, then student is pass. Now all the three subject student secures less than 35, then student is fail, result is false. Let me move on to third important function, that is AND function. As the name itself tells, AND, if candidate secures more than 35 in all the subject, then result is true, candidate is false. If any one of the subject candidate fails, result also fail, result is false. So in the same, in OR, if any of the subject candidates pass, result is true and pass. But in AND function, if any of the subject student failed means failed. Let me see with this example. Equal and before equal before less than 35 comma C4 less than 35 comma D4 less than 35 comma and E4 less than 35, close the bracket. See, the result is false. Why? What the argument I gave you? The argument says if the candidate is secures less than 35 in all the subject, then result is true. But here none of the candidates secured less than 35 in all the subject. let me change Kelly's value in all the subject. Now, in English, I'll make it 34 and mathematics already less than 35, biology already less than 35, and physics let me change it to 33. See, the result is changed true because as per AND argument, this Kelly is secured less than 35 in all the subject. That's why argument is true. Result is true. Okay. Now let us learn the important nested if function. Now what is nested if function? When you want to test more than one logical condition, that means when you want to combine if function along with or and function, then we will call it a nested if function. Let's see this example. Okay, I have already shown this result here, but let me see. I'll write this formula. I wrote this formula just to understand. Let me explain this formula. First, I use if function followed by and function and or function. Now, I'll explain this formula. If Sonia secured more than 35 marks in all the subject, or if the total marks is more than 500, then I will consider she is a rank holder student or she is a normal student. So here it will test first the AND function. If she secured more than 35 in all the subject, that means as per if condition is true. If all the AND arguments are true, then if condition is true, comma, then she is a rank holder student, or as per OR function, as comma, she is secured more than 500. That means she is a rank holder student. So all the arguments, if you see here AND function starts here. Okay, this one first it did not close here. Again I started OR function. So since these are all true, comma, as per OR, any one of the argument is true, that is total marks is above 500, that is true. So if as per AND function these are all are true, then she is a rank holder student, comma, if any one of the argument is false here, that means if any one of the subjects secured less than 35, or if the total marks is less than 500, then she is a normal student. Okay. Now, if you see in the same second student marks, I applied same formula. If you see here, she secured very good marks, but only one subject she secured less than 35, even though she secured more than 500 total marks. Since one of the subjects she secured less than 35, she is a normal student. If you see, I'll change here, I'll change to 36 just to say she is a fast. Okay, and I'll make this is 98, this is 97, this is 96, and this is 98, and this is 88. Now see, she is a rank holder student. Even though she did not secure good marks in mathematics, just because she passed the exam, she is rank holder student based on my or condition. She passed all the AND arguments. In addition, she secured more than 500. That is also true. That's why she is a rank holder student. She or he, whatever it is, rank holder student. Okay. This is how you will use nested if function. Friends, I have explained if function, or function, and function, and nested if function. You can see this formula here, how I use. Just to make this video short, I first inbuilt this formula to explain to you. But you can practice with yourself by taking same example or with your own example, and you can understand the difference between if function and function or function. Thank you friends watching this video. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel RenwilEducate, like my videos, share my videos with your friends. Thank you once again.